हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक। तो आज हम लेके आए जो आपका मैक टेस्ट हमने कंडक्ट किया था उसकी आंसर की लेके आए। तो आप अपने देख लेना कि आपके कितने क्वेश्चन करेक्ट थे उस दिन। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, विच शेड्यूल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डील्स विद द ट्राइबल अफेयर्स। इसका आंसर है शेड्यूल 6। नेक्स्ट है, विच आर्टिकल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रिटेन्स टू यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड। आंसर इज Article 44. A member elected from two constituencies in an election cannot continue with two at a time. What must happen next? Answer is the member must resign from one constituency. Next है, who authored the Nehru report? Nehru report. Answer is Motilal Nehru. In which session did Gandhi preside over the Indian National Congress? Answer is Belgium session. Next है, when was the Indian National Congress formed? Answer is 1885. The Treaty of Lahore was signed between Ranjit Singh and which other entity? Answer is East India Company. Next है, who was the Governor General of India at the time of partition of Bengal? Answer is Lord Curzon. Who was the first person to clear the Indian civil service examination? Answer is Satyendra Nath Tagore. Who established India House in London? Answer Shyamaji Krishna Verma. What is the IUCN status of the Hangul Kashmiri stag? Endangered. Where is the Modera Sun Temple located? Gujarat. Somrori is a dash lake, is a saltwater lake. Operation Sarva Shakti was conducted in Rajouri Poonch. Operation Meghdoot pertains to Sechin Glacier. Which state is the largest producer of sugarcane in India? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Where is Orang National Park located? Answer is Assam. Which river is referred to as Dakshin Ganga Godavari? Answer is Godavari. What is the old Sanskrit name of the Ravi river? Answer is Paroshni. Which Indian state has the highest largest forest cover? मध्य प्रदेश. ये मेडिकल एबिलिटी के क्वेश्चन, इसका आता है 6 से 100, इसका 33, इसका था 24 एंड 40, इसका है 6, इसका है 19, इसका था N, इसका XZUGS, इसका नॉर्थ वेस्ट, इसका था ग्रैंडसन, इसका था गोल्स, इसका C, द मीटिंग हैज बीन कैंसल्ड, इसका A, इसका मस्ट, वी डिसाइडेड टू गो फॉर अ वॉक, प्लेंटीफुल, diligent, meticulous, कलर्स, इसका ऑन, द टीचर वॉज प्रेज्ड बाय द टीचर, इसका आता है विच आर द फॉलोइंग इज कंसिडर्ड एज रिन्यूएबल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी? सोलर एनर्जी. विच टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज ऑब्जर्व्ड इन ग्रीन प्लांट्स? ऑटोट्रॉफिक. डायबिटीज इज नॉट कम्युनिकेबल है, वो डायबिटीज़ है. विटामिन सी से कौन सी डेफिशिएंसी होती है? स्कर्वी. इसका आंसर है इन एन इकोसिस्टम विच आर द फॉलोइंग इज द प्राइमरी प्रोड्यूसर? ग्रास. विच गैस इज प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डिप्लेशन ऑफ द ओजोन लेयर? क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स. वैक्सीन फॉर विच फॉलोइंग डिसीजेज वर द फर्स्ट टू बी developed? स्मॉलपॉक्स, माइटोकॉन्ड्रियन, जाइलम, मलेरिया. The first passenger train to in India ran between which two locations? Bombay to Thane. The ozone layer is present in which layer? Stratosphere. Which of the following is not one of the classical factor of production? Technology. Which of the following best defines brumation? A period of dormancy in reptiles during cold weather. Next है, which of the following best defines deflation in an economic text? Answer is in general decline in prices. Goods that are necessity for goods for which demand increases as the prices increases. Next है, the traditional dance from Garba has been granted a geographical indication. Which state is it associated with? Answer is Gujarat. What is crèche? An establishment providing care for infants and young children during the day. इसका विच आर्टिकल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एड्रेसेस मैटरनिटी बेनिफिट्स एंड कंडीशन ऑफ वर्क? इसका आर्टिकल 42. नेक्स्ट है, इन विच ईयर द डोरी प्रोहिबिशन एक्ट केम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस इन इंडिया? 1961. इन विच टाइप ऑफ किनशिप सिस्टम्स आर रिलेटिव ट्रेस थ्रू बोथ द मदर्स एंड द फादर साइड्स इक्वली? बाइलिटरल. नेक्स्ट है, SCT stimulus control treatment for generalized anxiety disorder involves? आंसर है इंस्ट्रक्टिंग द इंडिविजुअल टू वरी एट अ specific time or in a particular location. Sucking and biting shows the dash stage, oral stage. Emotion like anger, fear, jealousy, which are harmful for normal development, are termed as negative emotions. When sociologists study the structure of layers in society and people's movement between them, they call this social stratification. Women's work was recognized as being as essential as men's work. For which kind of society? Answer is tribal society. Uh, in Behind the Pleasure Principle, Freud introduced which new and controversial theoretical concept? Answer is the death instinct. What is the primary goal of foster care? Answer is to provide a stable and nurturing family environment for children temporarily unable to live with their biological parents. Which aspect of child welfare does the Children Act primarily addresses? Safeguarding against abuse and neglect. What is the overarching purpose of government schemes catering to old age and disability? Answer as ensuring social security and inclusivity for vulnerable groups. What is the core aim of Palna initiative, which integrates Anganwadi centers with creches to provide child care support for working mothers? Next है, which government body typically administers the state marriage assistance scheme? आंसर आपको दिया हुआ है जो येलो कलर में आप समझ रहे हैं आंसर ये मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सोशल वेलफेयर Ministry of Social Welfare or respective state social welfare departments. What type of data is primarily collected by Poshan Tracker? Answer is health and nutritional status, including growth measurements and diet information. Which term describes the norms that are essential to the core functioning of a society? Answer is Moore's. Globalization primarily refers to the integration of economics, cultures, and politics. Freud's theory of development includes all the following stages except cognitive. Specialization primarily occurs during which stage of life? All of the above. OCD stands for obsessive compulsive disorder. GAD stands for generalized anxiety disorder. Who is known as the psychological stages of development? Erik Erikson. Which of the following is not a right included in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? Right to bear arms. Which term refers to the illegal act of forcing children to work? Child labor. Female foeticide refers to the act of aborting a fetus because it is female. The concept of gender law deals with laws ensuring gender equality. Which organization is primarily responsible for the enforcement of human rights globally? UN. Which is not considered a child right to employment. Which concept refers to the division of labor based on gender roles? Sexual division of labor. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted by the UN General Assembly in 1948. Human rights are inherent to all human beings. PTSD stands for post-traumatic stress disorder. Which of the following is not an anxiety disorder? Answer is depression. Which theory explains how individuals learn and adapt behaviors in a social context? Social learning theory. Who proposed the theory of psychosexual stages of human development? Sigmund Freud. Which international document outlines the basic rights and freedoms intended to all humans? Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Which term refers to the process of change that transforms a society from rural to urbanization? Which term describes the establishment patterns of behaviors in a society? Norms. In India, which of the following is not a basis of social stratification? Height. Which of the following is best defines society? सोसाइटी को बेस्ट कौन सी डेफिनेशन इधर डिस्क्राइब कर रही है? तो वो सारी कर रही है ऑल ऑफ द अबव. Which of the following is a primary cause of poverty? Our population. Which of the following is a major contributor to global warming? Deforestation. Trafficking refers to, answer है, illegal trade of humans for exploitation. Beggars are often a result of lack of education and employment opportunities. Corruption can be best described as the abuse of interested power for private gain. Growth and development in children is influenced by all of the above. Physiology is the study of the body's function. Adaptation in India is regulated by CARA, Central Adaptation Resource Authority. Which are the following is an initiative to support elderly people in India? Answer is Old Age Pension Scheme. Poshan Abhiyan is associated with nutritional improvement. Pradhan Mantri Mantru Vandana Yojana provides benefit to pregnant women and lactating mothers. The Beti Bachao, the Beti Padhao scheme primarily aims to ensure survival, protection and education of the girl child. Next is the ICDS, Integrated Child Development Service scheme, includes which of the following services are of the above. The term global warming specifically refers to increase in Earth's average surface temperature due to rising level of greenhouse gases. Which term is used to describe the phenomenon where more people live in urban areas than in rural areas? Urbanization. The theory of social learning was primarily developed by Albert Bandura. A significant increase in Earth's average temperature is known as global warming. So these are your 120 questions that I asked in our mock test. तो आपके कितने बने आंसर वो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दिए, कितने मार्क्स बने. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जाम. अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करके. थैंक यू सो मच.